Good day, my wonderful learners. Today we want to consider percentage error as a topic. And the formula for percentage error is error over actual measurement multiplied by 100%. Let's solve these two questions. A rope of length 15 cm was measured by a girl to be 14.4 cm. If you consider this question very well, you will discover that the actual measurement is 15 cm. Why the girl mistakenly, or probably she did it intentionally, she wrote 14.4 centimeter for the measurement. So we are going to find the error first. And take note, error cannot be negative. Error might be actual measurement minus wrong measurement. And it can also be wrong measurement minus actual measurement. So we are going to have error to be 15 centimeter minus 14.4 centimeter, which will give us 0.6 centimeter. The question asks us to find the percentage error. The formula for percentage error is equals to error over actual measurement times 100%. The error here is 0.6 and the actual measurement is 15 centimeter. Centimeter, we eliminate centimeter, then we are going to multiply it by 100%. 0.6 times 100 will give us 60% over 15. And by the time you divide 15 here 1, you have 4%. That is the percentage error. Let's solve question 2. A sack of garri weight 72 kilogram is recorded to have weighed 75 kilogram. Find the percentage error. So first thing that we need to do is to calculate the error. The error here will be wrong measurement minus actual measurement. So we are going to have 75 kilogram minus 72 kilogram. Remember that I told you that error cannot be negative. So we have 3 kilogram. So we are going to calculate the percentage error. Percentage error is equals to error over actual measurement times 100%. If you look at this question critically, you will discover that the actual measurement here is 72 kilogram. So you are going to have 3 over 72 multiplied by 100%. Then by the time you reduce this to its lowest term, 3 here 1, 3 in 7 will give you 2, then in 12 you will have 4. Then you can also reduce it 2 here 12, 2 here 50. You can also reduce it 2 here 6, 2 here 25. So you are going to have 25% over 6, which is equivalent to 4 whole number 1 over 6%. Thank you.